So this is the second video in a series on waking dream practice, the first of which defined waking dreams. In this video I'd like to share with you two opportunities that I've developed that take us beyond a standard presentation of waking dreams or active imagination. The first of which is perhaps the obvious but most overlooked, because often waking dream practice or similar image-based methods are used not unlike sleeping dreams as a means to generate image content that we then go away and reflect upon afterwards for psychological insight. We wonder about what those images tell us about our lives, which is interesting and can be useful, but it misses out for me on the main opportunity of a waking dream, which is that unlike in a sleeping dream in which the surrounding sights and sounds convince us entirely, and it's only when we wake up that we realize we were in a dream, in a waking dream, consciousness continues into the dreamscape. That's what a waking dream is. It's an overlap of an imaginal reality, a dreamscape, with a physical reality. For example, knowing that you're lying in bed, safely tucked up, and at the same time in an imaginal reality. It's that in-between liminal space. So the opportunity that affords us is not just a study of what we imagine, but a study of the process of how we imagine. Instead of taking imagination for granted, we can learn about and cultivate the skills needed to enhance imaginative life. So that's the first opportunity afforded to us by waking dream practice, imagining in the moment. The second opportunity in waking dream practice that I want to share with you depends upon our releasing them from the consulting room, from the context within which they're most often used, psychotherapy. Because for me, the point of waking dream practice isn't just to get good at eyes closed exploration of images inside the mind. The point for me of waking dream practice is to take that imaginal sensibility that, yes, we might cultivate within eyes closed practice and carry it over, let it spill over into our everyday life and work as an ongoing, eyes wide open, waking dream. Because the story that we tell about the world and our sense of belonging in it or not is an imagined reality that overlaps with the physical reality, a waking dream. As indeed is the story that we tell about ourselves, our friends, family, colleagues, as characters in that world, again a waking dream, an imagined story reality that overlaps with the physical reality. As indeed any memories or future fantasies are an imaginal reality that overlaps with the present moment now. So if you think about it, we are living all the time, past, present and future, in a waking dream. If you think about it, imagination isn't really something inside the mind. If you really think about it, imagination isn't inside us, it's we who are walking around within imagination. And the opportunity afforded us by waking dream practice is to learn to better notice, validate and participate within the activity of images that is everyday life and work.